Prime Minister Modi has accused Pakistanis of fighting a proxy war by sending militants to attack India. Speaking to soldiers in Kashmir on his second visit to the state since the BJP's election triumph in May, the Prime Minister vowed to strengthen India's armed forces. The Prime Minister's remarks come amidst heightened tensions in Kashmir. Yesterday, India and Pakistan traded accusations of ceasefire violations.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his first visit to Ladakh and Kargil, taking on Pakistan.
हमारे पड़ोसियों की मानसिकता ने युद्ध करने की तो ताकत खोती है, लेकिन प्रॉक्सी वॉर के माध्यम से निर्दोष नागरिकों को मारने का सिलसिला चला।
Recalling the moments of the Kargil war, Modi saluted the spirit of the people who cooperated with the soldiers. India and Pakistan had fought a 2-month-long war in the heights of Kargil, Dras and Vatalik in the summer of 1999. In what is considered to be the first such rally by the Prime Minister in a Muslim township in the country, thousands gathered to hear Prime Minister Modi speak.
जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे, उनको जितनी मदद, जितना सहयोग आप नागरिकों की तरफ से मिलता था और जिसके कारण उनका हौसला इतना बुलंद रहता था, ये मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा है.
Assuring the soldiers of the government's full support, Modi said that he is aware of the hardships they go through. Modi also assured the crowd at the rally that he would continue to strive for development.
देश की जनता की आशा आकांक्षाओं को पूर्ण करना, करगिल की जनता की आशा आकांक्षाओं को पूर्ण करना, इसमें पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, पूरी ताकत लगाऊंगा और जी जान से जुटा रहूंगा.
While the locals say Prime Minister's visit did not meet their expectations, Mr. Modi said that he is leaving Kargil on a high note, recalling his visit to Kargil during Kargil war in 1999. From the sounds of explosions during the war to thundering claps today, Mr. Modi said not the Pakistan bashing, but the development is answer to every problem. And he promised to deliver that development to people of Kargil. In Kargil with cameraman Sheikh Tariq, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.